Alright, so we're playing City Skylines and making a new game. Look at this, load game, and we already making. But first, let me just pause for a second. Hey guys. Okay, let's see. Verville, Springwood, last week, or that week, Wood, Springfield, Las Vegas, we're just waiting. The Wi-Fi here is very bad, so I'm just looking at my phone. Yeah, don't be shy. Chase. Jesus Christ. I got 16 subscribers. I don't even know what happened. Guys, look at this. It's already done. How do I do this? Let's get video views. Here it is. Here it is, watch. Here it is. Okay, now let's pause this. And we're back, so the buildings are here. With this horrible city and roads here, I'm just gonna change. Copy RT, don't judge. Oh god. Oh god. No, I need to get a lot of space for these people because I don't care about these. Let's get them commercial again. Cubs. Get them residential. Okay. Oh fuck. Forgot about energy. Jesus. Get the sewage. Oh Jesus. So this guy like Snape. Yeah, this is kind of like Snape. Okay, just need points. Don't judge me. This is my city. Of course I did enter it. Road city. Neat. Elon Musk hustles in your meme review. Come on, people, get in. What the fuck are you doing? Come on, get in. I can't edit this video because I'm just 16 subscribers away from 20. It's so cold. Oh, look at this. Look at this. How much? Look at that. Look at that. You see my cursor here? And look at this. And look at this. I'm not making any money. Oh, it's growing. Come on. Look at that. Oh, this isn't my road city. The river city. Okay. Any. Why can't? Okay, I just changed it. It's been 4 minutes, so let me pause for a while. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this right above here. So, yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye. Hope you subscribe and link in the description, like button, okay? Sorry, link subscription, not subscribe. Oh,